In this video, you will learn how to set and control the planting distance and depth when planting potatoes. Firstly, set the laying distance. You set the laying distance on the user level. Open the tab for the laying distance. On this page, you can call up the laying distance section at the top. At the top, you will find the set point for the spacing in centimeters, or alternatively as potatoes per hectare. Both values are linked to each other. For example, if you set the distance in centimeters, the values for potatoes per hectare change automatically. The plus and minus buttons are displayed on the right-hand side of the operator terminal. To set the value, press the plus or minus buttons. Select a value that suits your potato variety and the desired planting thickness. Once you have set the distance, bring the machine into operating position. To do this, press the Start of Field button and drive forward about 15 meters. You're already planting the first potatoes when you drive up. Then stop the machine to check the actual laying distance. To do this, dig up the first 11 potatoes. 11 potatoes make 10 spacings. Now measure the distance from the first to the 11th potato. Divide the total measurement by 10 to obtain the average laying distance. One example, if 11 potatoes are placed at 2.95 meters, this corresponds to 29.5 centimeters per spacing. The usual tolerance of the laying distance is 1 centimeter. Always check all rows of the machine, especially the first time you use it, to ensure that all rows are planted evenly. In addition to the laying distance, you must also check the laying depth. You also set the laying depth at the user level. To do this, select the Depth Control tab. The setting for the furrow opener is at the top right. Press the set value of the furrow opener. The plus and minus buttons are displayed on the right-hand side of the operator terminal. To plant flatter, press the plus button. To plant deeper, press the minus button. As a rough guide, 7% is roughly equivalent to 1 centimeter. As this value depends on the tuber size and ridge shape, the planting depth must be checked in the field. Once you have set the planting depth, bring the machine into the working position using the Start of Field button and drive forward a few meters. Then stop the machine. Carefully dig up several tubers and check the actual placement depth. Always measure the depth from the top edge of the ridge to the top edge of the tuber. Pay attention to the shape of the tuber, as an elongated tuber can lie upright or flat. This results in differences of several centimeters. Check several tubers and hold them briefly in your hand. Assess the actual position of the potatoes, whether they are lying upright or flat. A single measurement is not enough. Check the placement depth across all rows. If the potatoes are to be placed deeper or shallower, adjust the furrow opener set point on the operator terminal. Repeat this procedure until the placement depth is correct. You should also check the soil under the potato when measuring the planting depth. The potatoes should not lie directly in the hard soil. It needs loose cultivated subsoil in order to develop undisturbed. Dig a little deeper and check where the hard horizon begins. This hard horizon is the point at which the soil tillage implement has no longer loosened or worked. If the tuber lies directly on this hard area, you should adjust the tillage depth. The loosened soil beneath the tuber is particularly important for the development of the plant and for good harvesting conditions. Both values, the planting distance and the planting depth, should be checked several times a day, as soil moisture, soil temperature, grading and tuber shape change during the course of the day. Check the laying distance and placement depth even when changing varieties. Good luck with your season.